All right, Easter Friday out here at Spanish Banks. We got low tide, brought the Skim board, 17 meter. It looks a bit windy for the 17. We'll see how it goes, maybe 12 knots right now, but gusting up to 14, 15. So test out the high wind of the Flite. Probably should have brought the surfboard, there's much wind, but low tide, so I brought the Skim. Maybe it's not as strong as I thought. It's a bit offshore though. I don't know if it'll read on the GoPro, but it's weird. There's like a layer of fog just along the ground here. And it looks like the wind's whipping like 25 knots and blowing up sand, but it's just fog. The wind's only like 11 knots. Trippy. There's no fog anywhere else. I think it's just the sun heating up this sandbar causing it. Water and air are 10 degrees, so still a bit on the cold side. Picking up, maybe 14 knots, 15 knots now. Feels like it's gonna keep getting stronger though, so 17 might become a problem soon. decent Friday in the books. Wind was up and down, anywhere between 9 and 15 knots, mostly around 12, a little bit of 14. The Flite proved to be up to the task. Lots of fun, lots of boost on that kite, more boost than I'm used to. Yeah, wind was pretty offshore at the end there, but everybody made it in, so that's good. Lots of kites struggled at the shore though here with the fluky wind. But yeah, it's a good day.